Hi, welcome to my best stainless steel mixing bowl sets review. Are you looking for the stainless steel mixing bowl sets? We analyzed consumer reviews to find top-rated stainless steel mixing bowl sets. This video, we share top 5 stainless steel mixing bowl sets on the market. Subscribe our channel and get more info and real-time deal on your favorite product. Let's start. Number 5. Avea set of 3 black mixing bowls. One great thing about Avea products is that they are women-driven. Well, one of these products is the Avea mixing bowl set. It includes different sizes of bowls to allow you to carry out a variety of jobs without much fuss. Enhances the appearance of the 3 bowls. It keeps bowls from slipping during stirring or mixing. It does not just prevent the surface from scratches but also keeps a shiny look. Number 4. Balmain 4-piece set mixing bowls with lid. It is high time you go for something classy and functional. Well, one of these timeless products is the Balmain stainless steel mixing bowl set. It features all sizes of bowls to allow you to mix anything including cake batters, tossed salads, vinaigrette, and dressings. They are inside the bowls and help in attaining accuracy. It is on the bottom of the bowls and helps improve grip. Number 3. Checkered chef set of 4 mixing bowl. Pastry chefs can now start smiling, thanks to the Checkered chef stainless steel mixing bowl set. They are easy to care for, as all you need to do is hand wash or throw them in the dishwasher. In addition, these bowls have no rubber bottoms, and this helps increase their number of uses. It is sturdy and solid to ensure optimum durability. Bowls are available in 9 1/2, 8 3/4, 8, and 7. Bowls are perfect for mixing, beating, whisking, and more. Number 2. Xchefs set of 5 mixing bowls. If you care for your health, the Xchefs set of 5 stainless steel mixing bowls should be a frontier for you. It is free of phthalates, BPA, lead, and PVC. Ideally, the lids of these bowls are made of non-toxic LDPE number 4 plastic, which is recyclable and safe for both adults and children. It protects against original defects. Bowls are perfect for mixing salad and eggs as well as for storing snacks. They are non-toxic and easy to clean for ultimate convenience. Number 1. Fine Dine set of 6 mixing bowls. Perform many different kitchen duties with the Fine Dine set of 6 stainless steel mixing bowls. They are designed for mixing, whisking, and tossing. Plus you can rely on them for serving and prepping. These bowls come in 6 dimensions including 8 quart, 5 quart, 4 quart, 3 quart, 1.5 quart, and 3/4 quart. They are resistant to scratches and bumps. Bowls are perfect for serving, prepping, whisking, mixing, and tossing. I should fuck her in the Benz.